fuck, go right ahead. Sure, no problem. Just trying to counterbalance myself here. Yeah, can't do that with a truck. What's going on, YouTube? I'm kind of leaving at a later time, so hopefully, you know, there's no fucking traffic. But yeah, as they say, don't quit your day job. Anyway, enjoy the ride. Oh boy, a little windy out here. Good on the highway. Like the worst part is you can't really tuck down, right? So, you know, you get like we're gonna call this parachute effect that happens. Oh, that helps. I close my visor. But hey, whatever. It's still fun as hell. You know what the best part is? There's no stoplights. Because like honestly, going for a ride and then having to stop, go, all that bullshit. Oh man, it's such a pain in the ass. That's why I go north all the time. And plus stupid people too, I mean. Can't forget about that. But it's nice doing this because you know what, you get to actually enjoy the sound of the bike too, right? Like, all the stop and go bullshit, it's, I don't know. It's not constant. That makes sense. Oh, this is going to be interesting coming up to the 401 here. You know, those new vets are kind of growing on me. They're not bad. Oh, the temperature today is like so perfect. My God. Not too hot, not too cool. It's like literally just right. I'm in this textile Denisi jacket and it's wind's just blowing right through and it's so nice. Oh my God, is it not going to be stopped at the ramp today? I saw one idiot up there, he just kind of like said, hey, I'm going to just slam my brakes on and just cause like this huge chain reaction in my lane. Yeah, it was like a sea of brakes. Look, it's still happening. Fuck's sakes, it's probably that guy. And that, my fuzzy friend, is how traffic starts. Can't stress that enough. If you don't want to drive on the highway, fucking don't drive on the highway. It's not hard. Jesus. Oh, yikes. Okay, glad I wasn't around for that. So I gotta say, this is actually my first time going east on the highway with my bike. So, of course, there's a little bit of fucking traffic here. When does there fucking not? God damn it! It's like almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Like, how is that even, like, possible? You know? Alright, fuck this. I hate this lane, but it always goes faster. For some miraculously weird reason. See, this is where I wish we had the same law as California. I wish we could lane split here, because, you know, you'd be like right down the middle. I mean, people still do it anyway, but I'm not nearly experienced enough or something like that. I am not gonna lie to you. So, whatever, I'm just happy to be on a bike. It's cool. You know, cruising in second gear. About to come to a dead stop on a ramp. I don't think I could be any more sarcastic than that. Not about the riding the bike part, but, you know, the rest of it. Fuck's sake. Well, you know what? At least I'm not, like, dead stopped on the upper part of the ramp. Well, this is kind of upper, actually, but could have been lower there. Jesus. Who the hell hits a seagull? How's that even possible? Okay, well, I mean, at least this is kind of moving. It's actually kind of cool. I always watch the crash test goat, his videos. They're freaking awesome, man. But like where he lives, I guess it's like Texas, and anyway, that area, it's like, holy shit, I can't believe how many different highways there are that all intertwine with each other, and all the cool ramps that you know, make them all join together. I'm like, wow. That was our one ramp. Awesome. Oh, this is fun. See, now I'm feeling a little bit of heat. A little bit. I mean, it could always be a lot worse, right? Obviously, but I could have been friggin' dead stopped here. You know, if you just keep going in the merge lane and merge kind of closer to the end there, it's you probably won't cause a ginormous traffic jam. Kind of like so. See? Look at that. Amazing. Driving 101. Or riding in this case. Same shit. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, don't want to stay in that blind spot. Don't stay in the blind spots. That's how you get ants. Oh, we gonna have the big unnecessary slowdown here for no reason? Oh, come on. Of course it's gonna happen. When does it not? You know, it's funny. Maybe getting off the Allen onto Lawrence there? I wonder if I'm going to have the pleasure of sitting in a lineup waiting to get off on Lawrence. And you know what it is? It's because I went out now, and so that's why there's going to be a line there, right? Bentley. Nice. Should probably gear down a little. Huh. Well, that's something you don't see every day. A car with a skirt package. Shit, I thought that was only for my generation. You know what? Props to that guy. It's pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna have to jump over here soon. day, it's coming. Oh, well, I guess we forgot that that's an off-ramp. And I'm sure that's your first time on this highway too, right? Wow, there's no line. Oh, no, spoke too soon. There's a little bit of one. That's actually pretty funny. Oh man, it's so weird. When the wind hits my pants, honest to God, sometimes, like depending on how it is, it actually feels like somebody's like kind of grabbing your calf. Strange. I had to like think about it. I'm like, huh. Oh yeah, no wait, I'm on my bike. That'd be, unless it's like a ghost or, you know, something like that. Bike ghost. What would be a day without getting stuck in this shit here? I think I came here like a few times, and it was like, you know what? I gotta open my friggin' mask. It's a little hot. Oh, time to find neutral. Where's neutral? Where's neutral? Oh, there it is. Hold, please. There we go. Awesome. I think there was like a handful of times that I came here and I didn't get stuck in a line. Weird. Mind you, that was like also at like, you know, 7 a.m. So, might have had something to do with it. Which I'm not going to lie to you, that's a very rare occasion for me. I am not a morning person whatsoever. Especially if I feel like rushed to get out of the house or something like that. It's like, honestly, I don't know. As soon as I got in my like late 30s, early 40s there, it was like, fuck it. Fuck it. It's just not happening. It's pretty funny. Anyway, I'll get you guys back on when this light turns green. Okay, we're back. That light took a little bit of time, so you're welcome for that. And now we're in Slowville, and here we go. Is this the bus gonna... Let's just cut in and fuck everybody, right? Fuck, man, these buses are like so aggressive down here. It's like I shit you not. They're like, hey man, you know what? My signal's on, I'm turning in. Yeah, fuck you, I don't care. Holy shit balls. What the fuck's going on here? Oh, parked car alert. Speaking of parked cars, this guy gonna fucking let every single living soul in? Yeah, fuck, go right ahead. Sure. No problem. Just trying to counterbalance myself here. That's cool. Whatever's good for you. You know, there's being nice and courteous and all that, but then there's just being too much. I don't know if that makes sense, but... Yeah, can't do that with a truck. Oh, but you can feel that without the truck. Whew. God damn. Stuck at a light. Alright. Anybody of interest here? It's the only thing about downtown, it's like, do some people watching. The weird, the cool, I don't know, just a whole bunch of different. Whatever, I don't mind it. Oh good, another bus. Fun, nice little uphill to start with. Okay, to be honest, riding the dirt bike really helped with that. Like with my clutch work. I know I've only been riding for a year or so, right? Like on the road, but man, oh man, honestly, it's like, it's a lot easier, I gotta say. Like off-roading, going over all kinds of weird obstacles and shit like that, way, way different. Whoop. And park car, all right. Anyway guys, that's gonna do it for this video. It's SRTA Boost signing off. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I do really hope you enjoyed the video. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Maybe I'll do a on the ride home. We'll see what happens. Anyway guys, take care, brush your hair. See you next time.